Previously on Bada Bazaar Street Food Vlog episode 1 you saw.
यहाँ का चाय जो है एकदम केसरिया के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है.
जाफरानी.
This is the most well-dressed vada pav which I've ever had. Alright, normally vada pavs are very dry, but this has a lot of dressing.
So now we are headed towards Ambika. It is located in Malik Street, which is famous for its Rajasthani pyaz kachori. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm Sushant Vyas. I'm the owner of this shop. My firm is approximately 60 years old. We are the third generation sitting over here. And this is the most busiest place in all over Kolkata. You get the outside customers and all the customers you can get over here only. There is no, this lane is never empty. Monday to Saturday, every day, in lakhs of footfall over here. So according to that, we have to keep the quality intact, and so that's why we are sitting here for last 60 years for the third generation. Famous for Gujarati sweets and snacks like fafda and jalebi and bhakri and bhakravadi and khakras and all that, everything related Gujarati items. We are the whole and sole manufacturer of that.
So Ambika Farsan is located at 2 Malik Street. So this is Ambika's very popular Gujarati dish. It's called a fefra and you're having it.
This was intentional. This was intentional.
Alright, so we are at Ambika's and we are having the very popular fafda with your papaya.
का संभारा.
Huh?
पपाया का संभारा.
Papaya ka sambara, that's what it's called. And I'm getting these spicy chilies as well. So let's just dig in. This tastes insane when it is hot, which is why we had to come back to ensure that we're getting it hot. So these things are going to give you a different flavor altogether. And the spicy chilies. This is so unique. I'll not be able to explain to you the taste of this unless and until you come here and you try this.
Previously, the Marwadi community used to reside in Bada Bazaar. Now they have shifted at North Kolkata near the airport and Rajarhat side. And this fafda is so famous that they still come from there, traveling 15 to 20 kilometers just to try this. And now we are at the other outlet of Ambika to try out their pyaz kachori and their dhoklas.
This is the very famous pyaz ki kachori, khasta kachori, and it is dipped in a sauce which is garlic, tamarind as well as chana. So, let me first break it open and show you what it looks like. It's not khasta. Khasta should be anyway. So this is what it looks like inside. Without this particular chutney, this is nothing. But once you dip it in this chutney, this just changes into something else altogether. So next item is the dhokla. Normally we are used to having dhokla with a tamarind chutney, a meetha chutney. But over here I'm having it with garlic and chana. It tastes very different with this chutney. I'm used to having it with the khatta meetha chutney, but no complaints because this is something very unique. The dhokla is priced at rupees 20 each, while the previous thing which we had, the kachori, that's 15 rupees each. We were about to be done with this particular place, but the owner has recommended this particular Kalakand. He says that this is very popular over here, so we had to try this one. This is insane. The amount of milk which goes inside this is too good. Very, very nice. Where are we going next?
To have gajar ka halwa at Canning Street.
Like, is the gajar ka halwa famous?
Winter में तो famous होता है.
I'm not asking if it's seasonal or not. Abhi, is this particular shop famous?
Yes, it's pretty famous.
Okay. Shubham walking through this gully is reminding me of the dinosaurs in Jurassic Park movies.
ये सारे बिल्डिंग्स के ऊपर टेरेस पे बासा है.
Basa fish?
No, Basa is the place where the staffs eat.
Oh, okay. Aren't we covering any of the famous khani dukans?
No.
No? This reminds me of Delhi.
40 साल से बैठ रहे हैं।
जी बताइए।
40 साल से बैठ रहे हैं।
40 साल।
40 साल।
क्या क्या फेमस है यहाँ पे?
ये हलवा है, गाजर है, कचौड़ी, सिंघाड़ा, सब आइटम है।
हलवा खिलाइए हम लोग को। We'll start off with the lassi, which is priced at 30 rupees only. It's pretty thick, not very sweet, filled with malai on top. It's pretty good. Very nice. Next up, I'm having the gajar ka halwa. We've taken 100 grams of gajar ka halwa and it's priced at 40 rupees. पूरा कलकत्ता का वैन यही गली में है. The gajar ka halwa too. What I like about this place is nothing is over sweet over here. So the balance of the sweetness is perfect over here.
So guys, if you really like our content, please like, share and subscribe to YouTube channel of Food Spa. और एनर्जी से
We have Keshav over here, who's a regular patron of this particular outlet. Keshav, कैसा experience? How's the experience over here?
मतलब दिस एक्सपीरियंस इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी गुड. मैं तो ऑलमोस्ट समझ लिया हफ्ता में 5 बार इसका पीता ही हूँ.
Okay.
और ये अंकल जी मतलब एक फैमिली जैसी हो गई है.
Okay.
मतलब पानी की प्यास भी लगती है तो मैं लस्सी वाले काउंटर पे रुक जाते हैं. और इनकी सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है कि ये मलाई में कंजूसी नहीं करते.
एकदम, वो हम लोग को देखा एक्चुअली.
और अगर आपको आप जैसे विंटर में आए हैं तो इसका गाजर का हलवा आप अच्छी से अच्छी मिठाई के दुकान के साथ इसको कम्पीट कर सकते हैं.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Keshav.
थैंक यू.
ये बहुत फेमस साउथ इंडियन दुकान है.
Okay.
बट ये हम लोग की लिस्ट में नहीं है सिंस वी आर ऑलरेडी ईटिंग अ लॉट.
What is it called?
आई डोंट नो द नेम.
A1 Jewelers.
अभी क्या कर रहे हैं?
So next we are going to Gopal's Kulfi to try out the famous Kesar Pista Kulfi, and then we'll go to Rally Singh's to try out their syrups. And then we'll go to Rally Singh to try out the sharbats.
और भैया आपको कितना टाइम हो गया यहाँ काम करते हैं?
30 साल से
30 साल से. और आपका सबसे पसंदीदा कुल्फी कौन सा है?
कैसे पिस्ता
केसर पिस्ता कुल्फी. कितना रुपये प्लेट भैया आपके?
30 रुपये की.
30 रुपीज़ अ प्लेट.
Recently price has increased. Well, it was 25.
Okay. We settled outside Gopal's Kulfi. The address is 166 MG Road, and we are having the famous Kesaria Kulfi, which is priced at 30 rupees only. This is what it looks like. They're not giving falooda, so they've kind of drizzled the syrup on top of this, and this is the kulfi. Silken smooth. Tastes very good and very reasonable too.
आपका शॉप कब से है?
100 साल का ऊपर हो गया.
100 साल के ऊपर हो गया.
मेरा जनता का तो जस्ट करीब देर तक.
और आपका सबसे फेमस आइटम क्या है?
यहाँ पे आपका रोज होगा, बादाम होगा,
रोज बादाम कड़ी. रोज
Rose Sharbat at Raju's.
Raji's.
ये रूह अफ़ज़ा नहीं है. Different taste. so refreshing. Alright, so what happened was these two shops are very close to each other, Rallies as well as Raji's. So we didn't know. We entered the shop. While we had already placed the order, then Aman comes close to my ears and says that this is the wrong shop. Now it would have been very wrong if we cancelled and we walked out. So what we did was we just tried one of the items over here. Tastes pretty good, but if you want to taste the original, you have to go to the original. So we're going back to the next shop. This is the one. We have Vikas over here, who is the 4th generation owner of this place called Rallies. Hi Vikas.
Hi.
Tell us a little bit जगह के बारे में. What is popular about this place first of all?
Popular about beverages only, milkshakes, coolers, fizzers. Coolers are drinks based off water. Fizzers are with soda and milkshake is with milk. And we have introduced thick shake with ice cream also. Place is established since 1898. First item we started selling, my great grandfather, that was rose. And we used to only sell in that cooler, that barn wala thing. Slowly he introduced into bottles and we started selling syrups.
So do you have the coolers available now also?
Yeah.
Great. I think what we'll do is, apart from the 2 items which we've ordered, we'll also have the first item which was served over here in the way it was served. So we'll have that as well.
Okay,
so
fine.
let's go on. What are you making us try today?
Rose, khas and kesar badam milkshake.
Perfect. Thank you. Let's get started. So we are at a place which was established in 1800s and we are having a drink which was the first drink served at Rallies 123 years back. So we are having the rose drink and it is in the cooler the exact way it was given in year 1898. If that's not history, nothing is. Wow. Alright, so next item we're trying out over here is a Kesar Badam milkshake. This is priced at 80 rupees. It's milk, but somehow it has a very refreshing kind of an effect once you're sipping onto this. Pretty good. Alright, next we have this beautiful bottle. It's a very cute bottle of strawberry milkshake with ice cream and it's priced at 120 rupees. Delicious. Thank you. Finally, we have a khas soda. Now this is a very khas drink over here. Very popular. We wanted something at the end which would flush down everything that we've had. What better than having a khas soda? This is priced at 53 rupees. Perfect. I would have liked some rock salt maybe sprinkled on top. That would have been really good. But no complaints whatsoever. This is good as well.
So Rally Singh is located at 172. So Rally Singh is located. So Rally is at 172 Mahatma Gandhi Road. It's just below Gurudwara, which is our Barabadar Gurudwara. So people who are really tired from their daily work, they come here for a refreshing drink. Bolo.
Okay, so now we are headed towards Tiwari Brothers, which is one of the most famous shops here for sweets and savories.
So we have Ramlal Tiwari ji, who is the 3rd generation owner of the famous Tiwari Brothers. Welcome to Kuchma. जरा बताइए आपके बारे में.
हमारी दुकान 70 साल पुरानी है. हमारे दादाजी ने इसको चालू किया था. वो निगोहा गांव से आए थे यूपी से. पहले खाली समोसा और दूध बिक्री होता था. फिर धीरे धीरे करके उन्होंने मिठाई वगैरह चालू किया. अब हम लोग के यहाँ सब आइटम मिलते हैं. हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस आइटम है तिवारी का समोसा और तिवारी का लड्डू. क्योंकि हम लोग ताज़ा माल बना के ताज़ा ही बेचते हैं, इसलिए चाहे दिवाली हो, चाहे होली हो, चाहे रक्षाबंधन हो, हम लोग एक दिन पहले ही जो प्रोडक्शन कर पाते हैं उसकी को हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे बेचते हैं. जिस कारण जो मेजर फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं जैसे दिवाली, रक्षाबंधन, होली, हम लोग को लड्डू को राशनिंग करके ही देना पड़ता है. जो 5 किलो मांगता है उसको हम मैक्सिमम आधा किलो या 1 किलो दे पाते हैं ताकि ग्राहक को ताज़ा माल मिले. होलसेल से ज़्यादा हम लोग को रिटेल पे विश्वास है।
Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, the first item which we're trying out over here is the famous Raj Kachori. So this is a very famous chaat which you get at Tiwari's. Now this has a very crunchy texture outside. So you have your laddus, chutney, famous samosa, और ये क्या है? गुड़ का रसगुल्ला, बहुत अच्छा. Great. So let's try this one. Now this has a lot of save on top, and inside you get potatoes. There's a mixture of potatoes, a lot of dressing of dahi, chutney, some corianders. I'm salivating while I'm speaking about this. So it's a mixture of meetha and khatta. So it's sweet as well as salty and sour. Have it during summer, have it during winter. This tastes the same. Next up, we have the famous samosas of Tiwari. Now these are priced at 20 rupees. These must be the most expensive samosas, but there's a reason why it is so. Let's take a bite. These are so fluffy, insane. And when you're having it with this chutney, you're gonna get a taste of heaven. Let's move on. There's no way we're going away from Tiwari without having their famous laddu. Now these are priced at 14 rupees and these are very famous. Like he's mentioned, there are queues during special occasions queuing in to have this, but not all are lucky enough to get the desired quantity. But if you get your hands on even one piece of this, I think your entire festival is going to be made. Insane. The Imarti. Now this has become a little cold, so I won't enjoy it as much. Pretty crisp. And finally, no Bengali is going to finish off any winter walk without a winter special Nolingur Rasgulla. So here's the bongs. Ashadharan. Guys, finally, how was the experience?
It was really good. See, one thing I can say throughout the walk, we were never disappointed at a single location.
That's wrong. We were.
And
Which one was the disappointment? Second one. Roti sabzi was a disappointment.
and Tiwari Brothers at the end is just the ending we needed for today.
What about you?
I love the Sharbats and Shakes at Rally Singh.
Yes.
And also the Fafra at Ambika.
So while we are doing the conclusion of this particular vlog, now Ramlal ji has sent his special kulfi. He was not happy with me wrapping up a street walk with a Bengali dish, so he wanted me to have the kulfi. So this finally we have a kulfi with the faluda, which was lacking at Gopal's. Gopal? Syrup from Rallies.
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
Wow. There couldn't have been a more poetic justice to this particular vlog. We had an insane time. Not necessarily all the items which we've tried out today were the best, but that was not the purpose of this vlog. It was to show you what is popular in the streets, inside the streets of Bada Bazaar. And I hope we've been able to do justice to this. This particular vlog was led by Aman as well as Shubham. So we thank them for being a part of the vlog and for guiding us throughout the entire day. And Shoptik, of course, with his bloopers and with his helping us tongue-in-cheek.
Thank you.
Helping us out with the videography. So if you guys like this video, do share it with your friends and family. And if you have more recommendations of places inside Bada Bazaar, we can always be back for the second and the third round. Endless amount of places there are inside the gullies of these places, we can definitely come back. Or any other place, in fact. If you know any locality which has 3 or 4 really popular places which you think Food Spa should visit, then we can definitely try that. You can leave them down in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from Bada Bazaar, Tiwari's. Cheers.